Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 5th, 4th chapter Multiplication and Division, Part 3. Now, today we will see the topic that is pairing of object from two groups in different ways. Now, students, see the example over here. That is, Suresh has three different colored rubber balls, namely A, B, C, and three different bats, namely P, Q, and R. If he has to pick one set and take it along with him for playing cricket, then how many different pairs can be made from the given bats and balls? So let us help this Suresh to make the pairs of different bats and ball. First pair, that is, if he will take ball A with bat P, then he will take ball A with bat Q. Then he will take ball A with bat R. Clear? Now next pair he will make, that is, he will take ball B with bat P. Then he will take ball B with bat Q. Then he will take ball B with bat R. Now next pair he will take, that is, ball C with bat P, ball C with bat Q, and ball C with bat R. So there are total 9 pairs. Clear? So out of this 9 pairs, he can choose any one and take it along for playing cricket. Clear? So like this you have to make the pairs. Now next topic we will see, that is division. Now let us revise what is division. In the previous class you have learned about the division. So division, what is division? Division means it is a repeated subtraction, or it means that making equal shares. Now we have already learned the relation between the division and multiplication. For example, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So here we have got 2 division from 1 multiplication. Clear, student? Now let us see the parts of a division. Clear? Now there are the 4 parts of your division. Now see, here we have to divide 11 by 2. So here 11 is your dividend, 2 is your divisor, and after dividing that 11 by 2, see what you will get, that is 2 5s are 10. So that 5 is your quotient, and what is your remainder? Your remainder is 1. How you will get that remainder? By subtracting 10 from 11. Clear? So 11 minus 10 you will get, that is 1. So 1 is your remainder. So keep in mind, student, that is, there are the 4 parts of your division: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Clear? Question number 6. Solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. One has been done for you. Now here we have to divide the given number by 2-digit number. Now see, one has been done for you, as well as we have to write down the quotient and remainder. So let us see the second one. 56,741 you have to divide it with 26. So let us divide this, the given number, with 2-digit number. So here the bigger number will be your quotient and the smaller number will be your divisor. So here our quotient will be, our dividend will be 56,741. Clear? And what will be our divisor? That is 26. Clear? Now if you want, you can write down the tables. Clear? So see, here the space is not there, that is why I am writing here. Clear? So here we will write down first the table, that is 26. Ones you will get, that is 26. Clear? then 26 twos you will get that is 52. Clear? Then 26 threes you will get. So you can write down the tables like this. Clear? Now what you will do? Now first of all we will take this 56. Now see whether 56 is there in your 26 table. No. So the smaller number we have to take, that is 42. So 26 twos is 52. Clear? So 26 twos you will get that is 52. So what you have to do? Now subtract it. 6 minus 2 you will get that is 4. 5 minus 5 you will get that is 0. Now we have to carry this 7 with 4. So it will become 47. Now is 47 is there in your 26 table? No. 47 is not there in your 26 table. The smaller number you will take, that is 26 ones you will get that is 26. So 26 ones you will get that is 26. So 7 minus 6 you will get that is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to carry this 4 with 21. So it will become 214. So is 214 is there in your 26 table? No. So you have to take the smaller number. So smaller number is 208. So that is 26 eights you will get that is 208. Clear? Now subtract it. So we can't subtract this 8 from 4. So we have to carry 1. So it will become 14. Clear? And here 0 will remain. So 14 minus 8, what you will get? You will get that is 6. And here 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Clear? Now what we have to do is we have to carry this 1 with 6. So it will become 61. Clear? So now 61 is there in your 26 table? No. So we have to take the smaller number. So our smaller number is that is 52. So 26 twos you will take that is 52. Clear? Now subtract it. Now again we can't subtract this 2 from 1. So we have to carry 1 from 6. So it will become 11. Clear? So 11 minus 2, what you will get over here? You will get that is 9. And here 5 will remain. So 5 minus 5 you will get that is 0. Clear? Now we have to write down our what? Our quotient and remainder. Clear? So what will be your quotient over here? Here your quotient will be that is 2182. Clear? And our remainder, what will be our remainder? Our remainder will be that is 9. Clear? If space is not there in your workbook, student, you can solve this question in your notebook. Thank you.